And now I would like to request Professor Aijaz Qureshi sir to come forward and share his views.
Thank you very much, Amit, the friends sitting on the stage and the audience. I think it's a very good occasion today that we are inaugurating this kind of course in the Sindhi Studies Center, Sindh Abhyas Academy. I believe that the SZABIST is no doubt a now international level institute, and if that starts this kind of work on different things and different themes of Sindh, it is a welcome step. That should be like that. Madam Waziri said that we should not be working in the past only, but the present and the future. History, geography, economy, sociology, archaeology, heritage, there are so many things one can. I had given a proposal, I don't know how the MA Sindhi Studies may be started with different courses in area studies. Anyhow, this course, this kind of initiative will create a netting between the communities. That is very important. The two major communities living in Sindh need to be together, need to have a well-knit kind of relationship and friendship so that they can pull on together. Because I think we, in Sindh especially, the development side is quite weak. And that is because these two communities, major communities, do not even talk to each other in a number of ways. I may be wrong, but anyhow. So I think this is Sindhi language. To learn Sindhi language is to learn the culture, heritage, everything that, and it will be very good for the youngsters, the young element who are the students are in the or even outside to come and get their admissions and learn the language, because there's no harm in learning any language or as many as languages you can learn. I remember in the Ayub Khan's period there was a Sharif Commission, and they worked on that Sindhi should be discarded and Urdu should continue only. But then after so many strikes and all that, Ayub Khan took that demand back and Sindhi was introduced. At one time it was said that it was decided that Sindhi children must learn Urdu and Urdu children must learn Sindhi. But that, however, in some or the other way it is no more there. Therefore, I think we have to learn and we must appreciate Dr. Riaz, Dr. Iman, Madam Waziri, Dr. Mukati, two young joyos that they are really working quite hard in this aspect. So I think it will be very important to have these courses to learn Sindhi language and other subjects also. So Sindhi, today 2 to 3 books are published in Sindhi. Every day they come to the market. That is a wasiat of a language that it has done itself and people are. So I must pay my respects to all of you, and I think it's a really good thing. And we can also help at any time. As a professor, I have been throughout the University of SZABIST Karachi. So these are very good things, and I really congratulate you that this thing should continue. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Aijaz Qureshi sir, for coming and sharing your ideas with us.